Yogi Clan, welcome back to Yogi Cycle Service. Today, I'm going to show you how we are getting ready to modify this Craftsman lift so we can pick up the front end of a motorcycle instead of the back end of a motorcycle. If you are familiar with this lift, I did a product review on it not too long ago. I showed you how I modified it to make it work for me. Well, we got a customer job that's a little bit different, and I wasn't anticipating doing what I needed to do, so we're gonna have to modify this lift in order to make it work. Bear with me while I give you a guided tour. But first off, if you are new to this channel, I thank you for stopping by. My name is Yogi and this is my channel, and here at Yogi Cycle Service we talk about everything motorcycle related, where it's product reviews, tips, tricks, service, whatever. Anything motorcycle related or anything Yogi related. We'll make a video of it and stick it on this channel, and I hope you like it and hope you enjoy it. If you like what you see, mash that thumbs up. Check out some of my other videos. And if you like the channel and what the content it has, man, I'd really appreciate subscribe. If you mash that subscribe button, become a subscriber, show a man some love, I appreciate it very much. If you're a returning subscriber, I thank you for stopping back and stopping by. You gotta forgive me. It is like July in North Carolina, and I am soaked. I haven't even done anything yet. I'd like to turn on that fan, but it would kill the quality of this video, so we're just gonna sweat through it. But what are we doing? Let me take you for a guided tour. Harbor Freight lift. Comes standard with two holes right here for a tie-down strap. That tie-down strap would be, it's right there, be kind of the front third of the motorcycle. Not a very good spot, really, honestly, for a tie-down strap. So I came in, drilled a hole, put an eye bolt here. That way I could go straight from the fork down to the eye bolt. Thumbs up. Also, we put this tire chalk from a trailer. We've bolted that down. You can see there's one bolt here. There is one bolt back inside here. I don't think you can see it. It's back inside here. And the same thing on the other side. That front tire is fixed in. Well, we are currently doing a handlebar job on this bike. And the customer said, hey, why you got the whole front torn apart? Do you mind changing out the fork springs and putting new fork springs in it? I'm going to wear a progressive kit and put a progressive fork springs on it. Sure, I said, not a problem. But with this lift and this bike on the lift, kind of a problem, right? Because I can't get the front wheel out of that tire chalk to get the forks off of the bike. So I could use this center lift, put it under here, jack up the front end, but if I do that, I have nothing back here to tie the bike down with. And I really don't want to jack the front end up if I don't have the back end tied down. That's a problem. So what's the plan? Went to our good friends at Lowe's and spent $40 so we can modify this lift. Let's show you what we got. I bought two more eye bolts. This one comes with a nut, one nut. Now you're gonna need two nuts on here. You're gonna need one at the top and one at the bottom. So we bought an extra two nuts. Also bought a 3/8 metal drill bit because my other metal drill bits are pretty much shot. So I said, okay, we're just gonna buy a new metal drill bit to drill the hole. So in the back of the lift, we're gonna drill one hole on this side, one hole on the other side. We're gonna run this nut all the way up, put a washer on it, put a washer on the bottom, put the new nut on the bottom, tighten it down. That takes care of the tie downs on the back. But on the front, this is my idea for the front. I bought this pin. You can see it has holes in it. It's kind of like a trailer pin. And this pin is 3/8 inch diameter by 2 inches long. These are 3/8 inch washers. This is the plan. Don't know if it'll work, but we're going to give it a work. I'm going to put one of the washers through here. I'm going to take the 4 bolts that are holding that tire chalk down, and we're going to use these instead. That way we can make it removable easy without having to unbolt the stupid thing. So you can see it's got the little holes on it. So I bought like 4 of these packages of washers. Figure we beef it up if we need to. Stack the washers, put it through, and I bought pins, hitch pin clips. This is 0.093 by 2.5 inches. Put it through the top, put it through the lift, put a washer on the bottom, put the pin through like that. And we're going to space it with washers so we get a good tight fit. That way that chalk at the front doesn't rock as you pull motorcycles on and off. But we are going to replace what's on there with 4 of these. That's the plan. So let's get started. Let's see what happens, shall we? We're going to put this eye hook back here. Where do we want it? Probably going to keep it towards the outside of the lift. But at what point on the bike do we want to strap it down? Let's take these bags off and see what it looks like. I'm thinking somewhere in here though. Why don't we shoot for right about there? Alright. One hole done. Down in the hole. There we go. That side is done. We will quick do the other side and strap her down. All right, with the back tied down, really the goal of these straps is to keep the bike from tipping one side or the other while I lift the front up. So we're going to put the center jack underneath it, lift it up slowly. If this starts putting some pressure on here, we're going to loosen it up, take some of that pressure off. All right, with the center jack on it, we're going to undo the front straps now. All right, with the front straps off, yeah, we're still feeling pretty good. Let's lift up the front end. All right, we got the front wheel lifted out of the tire chalk. That strap is good. This strap is good. And that bike is in there pretty solid. There you can see we've lifted this wheel a good 6 inches off. It is freely spinning now. Now we can remove the wheel. Now we can remove the front forks without a problem. But we need to get this thing out of the way. So let's see if we can make this deal work in these holes. We use one washer on the top, one on the bottom. Probably need 2 on the bottom. That's what it feels like. And then we can put the pin in. A little bit of movement, probably not as tight as if it were bolted. So we're going to do that with all 4 bolts. That way we can pull them out and pull this off. Let's go ahead and pull this off now. See if it works. Alright, so we have all 4 bolts out. We're going to put these in the drawer for safekeeping. In case we want to put them back. So there we go. 4 setups. 1, 2, 3, 4 for 4 holes. And that should make this where you just have to go in and pull this pin like so. Pull the washers off. Pull this pin out. Now we can remove this, and now we can get this front tire out. All right, front wheel back down. We can now pull the axle out, take this front wheel out, and we're in business. There you go, Yogi Clan. I hope you found this tip helpful. I do like that tire chalk in the front here much better than the stupid little clamp that comes with the Harbor Freight lift. But the drawback is, if you bolt it down, it's not easy to take it on and take it off. But I think with these pins here, I think that's the trick. Hope you enjoyed this, Yogi Clan. Hope this makes your lift work better for you, and I thank you for joining us. And I will catch you on the next video. If you like this, mash that thumbs up button, hit that subscribe button. All right, Yogi Clan, take care. Peace.